Hello, and welcome back to the GCP-Mindset channel. Today we'll answer the question, what is pharmacovigilance and why is it important?
Within clinical trials, a lot of information around the safety of trial participants is generated. Now, this information comes in various forms, but a key element of this is the assessment of adverse events and serious adverse events. This information is collected in a very structured manner, including start and stop dates and times, whether any treatment was given as a response to this, if, for example, the treatment was also discontinued, what the outcome is, and of course an assessment of severity criteria. Additionally, we need some information on whether the adverse event is related to the study drug, a relatedness assessment there, or in terms of medical devices, sometimes also the procedure. So there's a lot of information generated on the safety of trial participants and on the study drug itself. The team that is dedicated to overseeing this information is the pharmacovigilance team. Here, there are two key elements that need to be considered. The first one is that as a sponsor, you always must have oversight over the safety information. So a key piece is aggregating and relaying this information to the trial sponsor for them to have overview over the safety information, sometimes even across clinical trials, across countries, and across ongoing reporting if the drug is already on the market. Another key piece, though, is that also regulators and ethics committees need to be aware of any potential changes to the safety and risk profile of the study. Hence, when there are adverse events, specifically serious adverse events, or those that are related to the study drug are recorded, you need to pay attention. Usually what you will do is, for example, report so-called SUSARs, that's suspected unexpected serious adverse reactions, which means something you didn't anticipate happening, which seems to, or at least potentially is related to the study drug that you're using. These events are of really high importance because they signal something might change the benefit-risk ratio of this trial. And they need to be, in a very fast manner, reported to the authorities. Now, this reporting is facilitated through the PV team as they collect and standardize the information, and they put it in certain very specific forms, for example, SIOMS forms, where standardized information and structure is provided, which helps regulators across countries assess the information in a similar manner. And that is a key function of this team, supporting a central role within clinical research.